The cost of bad credit. We all know that things cost more if you have bad credit, but your insurance is also based on your credit score. So here, this $59,000 truck, if you had a 740 credit score, your payment would be 738 based on bank rate interest rates as of today. If you had poor credit, your payment's gonna be 1138. That's a $400 per month difference, or $20,000. So instead of you being able to buy a new or slightly used car with low miles, you're stuck with buying something with 100,000 miles, and then it breaks down on you and it ends up costing you more, all because of your credit score. What about a house? The average home in California is 750 grand. Good credit, your payment's 4,750. Bad credit's $5,500. That's a $100,000 difference. That's the difference between a 3-bedroom and a 2-bedroom, 2-car and a 1-car. Good neighborhood or bad neighborhood. Credit's expensive. Bad credit is expensive. In fact, Forbes magazine did a study and they said the average person loses $4,200 per year due to their poor credit score. $350 a month. You could be losing right now, in addition to the equity. Or what if you wanted to buy a house in 2020 or 2021 when interest rates were 2 and 3%, and you didn't because you had bad credit, and now you're going to pay 6.5%, doubling the amount of interest that you pay on that loan. You can't fix your credit overnight. So when you need it, you can't fix it immediately. It takes time. My words to you are fix your credit before you need it.